how to make the brown noise in Audacity. So if you go into Audacity and you're just sitting on a blank track, what you can do is if you go up on the top to the Generate tab, you can actually generate a lot of different noises and tones, stuff like that. So if you click on Noise, and then from the Noise tab, you select Brownian, you can then create the Brownian noise. You can even set the amplitude. For myself, I'm going to set it down to 0.4 so it's a little bit nicer. And then if you go ahead and hit play here, and that's how you create a brown noise. You can use this for other things as well. Like I said, besides just creating the brown noise, you can make other different kinds of tones, stuff like that. So for example, if we want to make a tone, let's see here, let's just do sine frequency. We'll just do the default. We just do that, and then we play that. It also will then make that tone. So that is how you generate different sounds and also make the brown noise in Audacity.